Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to HTML course. This is the section on forms, and we have a very basic form that we just started. I want to make it a little better. I want to change this submit query text, and I want to label this box. And also, I don't want to leave it named hello because that's just kind of strange, and you know, maybe even a little misleading. All right, so let's fix those things. Okay, so this should be the first name box, and we're gonna put a label around it, and that's the label tag. And the easiest way to do this is to wrap it. Maybe, yeah, it's the easiest way. All right, so our label is going to say first name, and that way they'll know that this box, which wasn't labeled before, now it's going to have a label. And then you close your label after. Okay, so that's going to have a label. And then to change the value of this text, type equals submit value equals go, or anything really. All right, and let's save that. Let's go see what it looks like. Much better, much better. Go is much more appealing than submit query. All right, so first name, I'm going to type Clay and click go. All right, now my query string up here changes. Okay, cool. Now let's also, while we're here, let's make sure that our page is valid. I just select all, copied it to my clipboard. Let's go to the validator. Validator.w3, remember that's the World Wide Web Consortium.org. Validator.w3.org, direct input, I'll paste and check it. Okay. No errors or warnings. We're green. Makes me very happy. All right, thank you.